So Discord released a new boosting perk called Badge Packs, and today I will show you how you can enable it in cheap, along with some tips and tricks. Before starting, if you want server boosts for your server at super low price, then don't forget to buy it from me. The delivery is instant after your payment, and the prices are also super low than anyone. You can either buy it on website, or you can join my Discord server and place an order here. You will find links in the description. Alright, to enable this feature, you of course will have to go to the server boost section and you will see a new option there for the server tag packs, and you will need an extra 8 boosts to enable this feature for your server. If you do not see this feature, then it's because the feature is new and is rolling out to everyone, so if you don't have this, just wait and you will have this soon. Other than that, there is no way to get it. And normally the server boosts perks are not available on Android or iOS, but if you want to access it on Android, just open Discord in any browser and log into your account, and after that click on the 3 dots, scroll down to the end until you see the desktop mode, and simply tap on it to enable it, and you are done. Now you will have access to server boost perks. The website is not fully optimized, but still it can help you. This doesn't work on iOS. And also, there's a small trick that you can use to enable the server tag or server tag packs in 14 boosts. So what normal people do is, they buy 14 boosts, which are used in the levels, such as level 1, 2, and 3 automatically, and then they have to buy extra boosts for server tag or other perks. But you can do that under the 14 boosts also. And it is by disabling the level perks for your server. If you have enabled a level, and click on that, you will then see an option for disable perk. If you click on that, you can get your server boosts back. But keep in mind that you will lose all those level perks, and those boosts will be stored in your available boosts section. Now you can do this for all the other levels if you want, and you can get the boosts back. Now for the tag, once you have enough server boosts, first you have to enable the server tag perk, and after that you can enable the server tag pack perk. There are 2 types of packs. One is animal pack. You will see these animal head and server tag. And the second is flex badge, so simply enable both of them. Once you are done, simply click on the edit server tag, then simply enter your server tag name. If you want to have an invisible or a 5-character server tag, then don't forget to check out my video. Alright, after entering, select the tag icon, and you will also see these new icons which you just enabled, such as the animal heads or other flex badge pack. So select any that matches your server theme and click on save changes. Now you can go to your user settings and adopt the tag for yourself, or let other members also do it. So if you want, you can purchase boosts from me and enable the server tag or other perks. Thank you for watching and peace out.